So let's see how you can interact with the Facebook API and you can get information about the user and require the user must be a log one. So let's continue with the sample we did on the previous video. So we are going to create here a temp folder and download the application files from the server. So now I'm going to open. This is the entry form. That is the module, and this is the entry form. Okay. On this sample there is anything here, and if we test the application, this is the URL for the application. Here we have it. I'm logging, so I'm going to log out to show you. I can still access to the application even I'm not logging on. I'm not logged on Facebook. So this is what we are going to change first. What we can do is on the create event of the of our page, we can use the FB application global and then require logged user. So this is a method that will request the user to be logged. So let's save and upload to the server. We are going to access, restoring the session, and you see now we are required to access to the application. We are required to log in. So we are going to log in. And then we are requested to allow the application to access my basic information, because we are requiring that. We need to allow the application to access our basic information. And now we can access. So as you can see, now our application, if the user is not logging, cannot be accessed by the user. And now I'm going to show you how to get information from the user. For example, label and button, and this label 2 caption is going to be we are going to show in the caption the user ID. So copy everything and restore the session. So once we click the button, this is the user ID of the Facebook user is logging, and we can use this ID for a lot of things, like database tables. We need to get a unique identifier of the user, and so on. So this way we can customize the application for the user is logging on it. Now I'm going to try, I think that I haven't tried before, and this is a matter of getting render some Facebook tags. I know it works, but I'm going to try it better. Label 3. Say all this. Wait a moment. Caption. So what we are going to do is to dump some FBML tags, in this case FB name. We are going to dump the UID, and then we are going to set the attribute use U to false. And here we need to dump the user ID we want to get the name of. So this is it. I'm going to dump here the files and then store the application, and when I click here I get the name of the user. In this case this is me, a test account. So this is the way you can get information about the logged user. You can check the source code we are producing. So here it is, the code. As you can see, it's very easy to interact with Facebook through the wrappers we have written for the API and the SDK. And it's a matter of building a regular application by taking into account the user, their friends, and things like that. So I hope you like it. Thank you.